We got a call!
Okay, team, here's your next mission. You must travel to Penn Engineering to learn all of their manufacturing secrets. I believe in you. Go, go, go!
It's like a big puzzle. Every day there's a new problem, and you know your job is to solve it in some way.
It's very interesting on where our product goes. For myself, it's so interesting that when I purchase something or I work on something at home, it's amazing to find out that it's actually, one of our products is actually in something. It's a great company. I've been here for 34 years. Very friendly. I've had an opportunity here to work in various departments. It's interesting and everything changes. There's always a challenge to change. So that's always been a really cool thing.
What kind of education do you need?
Well, for the manufacturing floor, technical colleges, technical schools are great.
It's a great place to work, actually. It's always about the people. The people are very friendly.
When we first thought of manufacturing, we never thought of it as we do now. Being able to see how it works completely changed our mindsets. Manufacturing is very interesting and can be a job to many people that don't even know it yet.